Surprising health benefits of fasting. Fasting is gradually gaining popularity in the health sector. As the scientific research is uncovering numerous benefits of fasting and intermittent fasting for our body and brain, nutritionists and health experts now prescribe fasting within the fitness and health regime. Historically, fasting has been a common practice in various religions, which was claimed to be a nurturing exercise for the body and soul. In religious terms, this activity involved staying away from food and drinks, along with other religious actions. Science now approves that most of those claims are surprisingly true. Today, the health sector is more familiar with the term intermittent fasting, and admits some of its amazing health benefits. By definition, it means fasting intermittently for a defined period, alternatively followed by a non-fasting period. It is also known as intermittent calorie restriction in medical terms. The modern diet regimen involves 3 meals each day. We all need food to obtain nutrients and energy, for our body to survive and develop, while fasting will deprive us of these nutrients and energy. So, what is it that makes fasting so healthy? Here are some of the most amazing health benefits of fasting that you must know. Boosts metabolism. Our body's metabolism is responsible for the breakdown of food, and its conversion into energy, which is utilized by our body. Eating 3 times a day keeps our metabolism active at all times. This can exhaust our metabolism, and reduce the efficiency of the systems involved in it, such as the digestive system and the liver system. Intermittent fasting will allow our metabolic system to rest and energize. As a result, our body will be able to metabolize the food more efficiently, and eventually energize your body. Boosts appetite. 3 meals a day ensures that we fill up our stomach as soon as it gets empty. This makes our body, and even our cells, forget how it's like to feel hungry. In the long run, our body gets used to not producing the hormones that encourage hunger, and we may end up losing our appetite. This loss of appetite and lack of hormonal signals can cause you to eat less when you should eat more, and eat more without knowing when to stop. Fasting makes sure that you experience the hunger in the real sense, which helps our body recalibrate the consumption of food and optimal hormonal release. Heals your body. It may be surprising to know that fasting can promote the healing process of our body, and eliminate inflammatory conditions, even the cancerous cells. Our body needs something to consume in order to gain energy. When food is not available for the body, it begins to eat itself to derive energy. For this process, our body smartly starts with eating the things that are wrong, and everything that is bad. As a result, the body can heal the inflammatory conditions by reducing the oxidative stress on our body. At the same time, fasting will boost the body's own capability to resist such conditions, by starving off the cancerous and inflamed cells. Obviously, the weaker and cancerous cells are the first ones to die from starvation. Reduces weight and fat. Stating the obvious, not eating will deal with the highly prevalent obesity problem. The same theory of self-consumption applies here, when the body starts to consume the energy reservoirs of our body to function in absence of food. Our body stores energy in the form of glycogen and fats. When food is not there and it needs something, our body starts utilizing fats. Insulin sensitivity, resistance and type 2 diabetes. Fasting will deprive our body from carbohydrates, which need insulin to produce excess blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is also associated with high levels of blood sugar. As a result, fasting takes care of all 3 problems and protects you from these health-damaging conditions. Increasing lifespan. Advanced research shows that a weakened metabolism is associated with the aging process. By fasting, you do not only improve and boost your metabolism, but you also increase your lifespan in statistical terms. There is further evidence of relationships between a person's eating habits and lifespan. Improves neurological and brain health. Fasting is shown to significantly boost the production of new and fresh brain cells, known as neurons. Apart from cell generation, it also releases other chemicals that are important to ensure that the freshly produced neurons and the older ones remain healthy. It also boosts the production of BDNF protein, that protects our brain from neuropathy and other diseases. Boosts immunity. Fasting can effectively boost the immunity of a person, by inducing several cellular repairing processes. To start with, fasting will effectively reduce the harmful free radicals and oxidative stress from the body. It will also induce the waste removal process, in which body removes the bad cells, dysfunctional proteins, and mutated cells. Conclusion: fasting will optimize all your body systems, such as digestion and cardiovascular system, which will have several secondary benefits. Since there are no serious side effects, you should give it a shot without a second thought.